Hi guys, this is Sabine from Zennumerostar.com. Today's video is about, will your SP always conform to you? As I have already told you, I have approached so many topics by now that all my videos going forward will be only a few minutes long, as I feel difficult to tell you something radically different from what I have already told you. Anyway, today I have decided to talk to you about how easy or difficult it is to have your SP conform to you, and if it is automatic. In other words, if your SP is always going to conform to you, or if you have to work at it. I have been asked this question a few times recently, along again with, does my SP have free will, and all those topics. Well, let's talk about free will. Your SP has free will in their own quantum bubble, but you alone have free will in your own quantum bubble. This means that when you think that your SP is going to behave in such a way, deep inside, this takes precedence over what you wish to happen, or better say, it trumps whatever else you wish to happen. That's why you want something, but it doesn't always happen if you believe deep inside that only the opposite is true. And the way you can tell, oh yeah, that's true for me, or oh no, that's not true for me, is the way you feel when you think about your manifestation. And in this case, as today's video is about your SP conforming to you, and if it's always going to conform to you, well, in all honesty, the answer is yes or no. Yes, in a sense, because your SP will always match what you think is true for you. So in that respect, your SP will always conform to you, but not always to your liking. And there is a huge difference in that. So indeed, they will only conform to your expectations and not to what you wish for. It's exactly like any type of manifestation. You want something, you focus on the end result, and each time you think about it, you feel good within and you get it. Well, here it's the same. You want to manifest a certain version of your SP? Well, great. When you have determined the version of them that you want to experience, make it true in your inner world by thinking lovingly about it and talking lovingly about that new version, and soon you will have your wish come true. Honestly, it's as easy as that. Your SP conforming to you is only another manifestation, nothing more and nothing less. Where you think it's complicated is mostly because you fear that you are tampering with their free will. But I think that this video will have proved to you that you can experience whatever you want, including the version of your SP that you want. As always, I know you can do it. I do believe in you. So on that happy note, all I can wish for you is happy manifesting.